Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here let's scroll in order to find passwords and accounts. So you have to scroll all the way down. Of course, as you can see, we've got the Google section, and obviously you can add or remove a Google account using it. But to be honest, I personally prefer to do it by using passwords and accounts, so let me tap on it. As you can see, we do not have any accounts added. So first of all, we will start with adding one. Let's tap on Add Account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it. Before, after tapping on next, your device will autofill it and add the @ symbol. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. I don't want to turn on the backup right now, so I will just tap on Don't Turn On. And here, from this step, we can check the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Just tap on it and you will be able to read them all. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of the backup and storage info, so just tap on Accept. And as you can see here, we've got our Google account added. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it whenever you want. Just tap on it and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. However, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock reset, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.